Opening and playing with this Minnie Mouse Bowtique cash register. It's a cash register and it makes realistic sounds. When we push this button, Minnie Mouse talks.
Hi there, it's me, Minnie Mouse.
So let's open the box. Okay, so now that the box is open, I can show you everything that comes inside. Of course, we get this cash register. This is a scanner. We receive some money, a $1 bill, $5 bill, a $10 bill, and a $20 bill. We also get some coins. We get 5 cents, 10 cents, and 25 cents. We also get this super cute credit card with Minnie Mouse on it. Now we can put our money inside the cash register by turning this button. Okay, I guess it's time to get shopping. We're going to be using this credit card to pay our groceries with. But first we need some groceries. So how about this basket? It's filled with so many groceries. We better get to scanning. Starting with the croissant, a sardine, milk, bread, more milk, an apple, more milk, jam, a cupcake, one more cupcake, another cupcake. I'm really feeling like cupcakes today. Chicken stock, a croissant, apple. How about some pasta? A sardine. This is our second sardine. Some cake. Some more jam. Strawberry. Another strawberry. Soda pop. Another soda pop. A raspberry tart. Some more jam. More chicken stock. We're going to be making soup. And some more jam. That's it. It looks like all of our groceries are ringed up. Only thing in here that's left is our grocery list. Okay, it's time to pay. We can use this credit card. Okay, let's slide. That's it, our groceries are all paid for. Now let's see everything that we got. We got some pasta. Then we got some fruit. We got some strawberries. We got some apples. We got some yummy cakes, cupcakes. This looks like a strawberry cheesecake. We also got one more cupcake. We got a raspberry tart. We got some jams. We got 3 kinds: strawberry, grape. This is also strawberry. Oh, I think it's only 2 kinds, 2 strawberry and 1 grape. We can set those right here. Then we got some chicken stock, 2 chicken stocks. We can make soup, yum. We got some soda pops. Then we got a croissant, another croissant. We also got some bread. We can put our jam on the bread. We got a couple of sardines and milk. We got 3 cartons of milk. Check out all the groceries we purchased today using this cash register and paid with this credit card. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We post new videos every day. Until next time.